Hello, welcome back to my channel and I'm your Nimsha Davis. And in this video, we are implementing vehicle detection from a video using Haar Cascade Classifier in Python with OpenCV. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. And one more thing, you can join as a member of our channel and that would be really helpful for me. Okay, so one second. Okay, first make sure that you have installed OpenCV. We also need a pre-trained Haar Cascade XML file for cars, and this model helps the program to recognize the vehicle in this video. Fine. By the way, I'll upload this project on the GitHub so you can easily download these files. Fine. Okay. Fine. First of all, we have to import the CV2 file, OpenCV library, and it's a very powerful computer vision library that let us to work with images, videos, and perform the object detection. Okay, then we have to specify the Haar Cascade file. So cascade underscore src, sorry, src equal cars.xml. That's our Haar Cascade file. Okay, so this pre-trained model knows how to detect the car in an images from an images or videos. Then we have to mention our source file, video src equals video.avi. Okay, this is our source file that we want to process. And the program will analyze the video frame by frame. Then we have to load the video. So cap equals cv2 dot video capture and we are passing the video src. Okay, so we create a video capture object. It's like creating an object. Okay, so for reading the frames from the video file, and this lets us to perform or to process the video frame by frame in a loop. Okay, then we have to load the Haar Cascade. So car cascade equals okay, cv2 dot cascade classifier, and here we are passing src. Okay, so it will loads the Haar Cascade classifier into the memory, and it also prepares the model so that it can detect the cars in each frame of this video. Then we have to start a loop, an infinite loop to read and process the video frames continuously until the video ends or the user press the escape button. Okay, so we are using a loop while true, then red comma emg equals cap dot read. So here the each iteration of the loop reads one frame from the video, and the ret variable tells us if the frame was successfully read, and the img variable stores the frame. Fine. Then we have to check if the frame exists or not. So if type of img equals type of none, we are checking whether a frame was returned. If the video has ended or no frame is available, we will break out of this loop. Okay. If the video is ended, we will break out of the loop. Then we have to convert the frame from color mode to grayscale mode, because the Haar Cascade works better on the grayscale images because it reduces the amount of data the detector need to process. So for that we are converting into grayscale mode. CVT color img comma cv2 dot color underscore bgr to gray. Okay, then we have to detect the car, right? So we are using detect multi-scale function for that. Car equals car underscore cascade dot detect multi-scale. Here we are passing the gray comma 1.1 comma 2. Okay, so the detect multi-scale function will scans the grayscale frame and returns a list of rectangles where cars are detected. And the 1.1 is the scale factor and 2 is the minimum number of the neighbors for detection. Fine. Then we have to again write a loop for W, H in cars. This loop is to loop through all the detected cars. Fine. So here CV2 dot rectangle, we are passing the img comma x comma y x plus w, then y plus h 0 255 255 2. So if we detect a car, we have to draw a rectangle around it, right? So this line will help us to draw a yellow rectangle around the detected car. And this will visually highlights the vehicle in that video. Fine. Then we have to display the video. So I am show and we are giving a title video detected. Not video, vehicle detected. Vehicles detected. And we are passing the img here. Then we have to wait a few milliseconds between the frame. So if CV2 dot wait key 33 equals 27. So if the user press the escape key, the program will exit from the loop and stop processing the video. So just type break here. Then we have to give the destroy all windows. So we have to close all the OpenCV windows and release the sources. Okay, so let's run. See, here detecting all the four-wheelers vehicles. And yes, that's it. This is how you implement vehicle detection in a video using Haar Cascade Classifier in Python. It's a simple yet effective method for detecting the cars in videos, and it will be really useful for detecting the vehicles within the traffic monitoring or automation projects. But one main disadvantages is that the hard cascade is too old one. Okay, there are lots of new models are available right now, but it's a quite interesting simple one. You can try it out, and if you got any doubt you can ping me on my WhatsApp or through Instagram. Yes, and that's for this video. And if you are feel interested after watching this video, just like my video. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.